Guys, it's Andy with barchefs.com. I've got perhaps one of the coolest products we've built to date. We have poured a ton of time and effort into this. I'm going to go through some of the... This is our latest design. This is the world's first LED billiards table. We have went through a lot of heartache making this happen, so I hope you guys like it. This is a fully programmable table. It uses genuine, real rails that we are purchasing, pre-felted from Penguin, the largest rail manufacturer. We are creating our own slate that has a genuine Awanis Simonis felt. So this is the real deal. That's what we're proud of. You can felt it just like a real pool table when it gets worn out. We have played on it. It plays excellent. It uses a standard drop pocket. It's a plastic drop pocket. We are discussing creating a table with returns, but this is our first model, so stay tuned for that. The returns will send your balls down in the cabinet when we are able to design that. The rails, look at this, all aligned. Got the little points for your diamond system. This is a 7-foot table. And the dimensions are 49.5 inches wide, that way, 89.5 inches long, and the table height of the surface is set to be at 30 inches like a standard pool table. It does come with the pool glides on the bottom so you can level it on your surface. And we've done a lot of extra features on this top to make it you can actually do some fine-tune increments if you need to adjust the surface. Although we flatten these on both ends to several thousandths of an inch on site before they ship. So we really try to get that accuracy down for you. But if you need to, we have generated a system where if you see those holes up in there, they're in quadrants. There's about 16 total. And they allow you to make fine adjustments if needed to really make sure your play surface is good to go. The cabinet that you're looking at is solid metal. So the rails are solid acrylic all the way around, and the from there to there is metal. And we do that for a reason. We've installed molding, rubber molding, heavy duty here. And that makes these portable so that you can actually turn it on its side, put it on a dolly, and transport it. We'll try to get some pictures and video of that on a separate video for you. But man, isn't it beautiful? The lighting can be fully controlled in any style you like. So right now you see I just have the slates activated and the signage. I can also just activate the rails alone. I can activate the signage alone and leave the play surface as is. When you're playing as is with no lights, it just presents like a regular pool table that has white felt, which is exactly what you're looking at. Now, if you want more information, we will have that on the website, like the weight, shipping, how do you purchase one. So please head on over to our website. We really depend on that for most of our inquiries. Look forward to helping you. You'll just visit barchefs.com and you're going to click the games category and you'll be able to locate this awesome new product.